Hi, how's it going? I haven't done a video for a while due to the current crisis and the restrictions. Obviously, no chance to get out and do any tranny travels. So, what I thought we'd do today, put on a little bit of makeup. I have this Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker. This is a plumping lip gloss. So, it's quite expensive. I got it on special, half price. It was only £5 in Boots. I do like Soap and Glory's lipsticks, but I haven't tried any of these before. So, I've read mixed reviews about whether plumping works or not. It's a nice shade. This one's called Papa Don't Peach. Somebody gets paid good money to think of these names. So, now I've been told when you put it on, it will tingle, and then you wait 10 minutes or so. When the tingle subsides, you put it on again. So, before we do anything, let's have a close look at my lips. So we've got a before shot. Okay, and then obviously we'll do an after shot and see if we can tell the difference. So, it's your standard sponge applicator. So here we go. First impression, it does feel pretty sticky while I'm putting it on. Smells quite pleasant. Feels sticky. It's as if I'm smearing sweets on my lips. Obviously I wouldn't try eating it. That probably wouldn't be good. Okay. So, it is on. It's not tingling, not in the slightest, just feels very sticky. So we're going to wait a bit. A lot of the things I've read say wait 10 minutes and then put a second coat on. So we'll wait 10 minutes and see how it goes. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes or so. The tingling is starting to abate now. So let's see how it looks. One thing I have noticed, some of my old lady lines seem to have abated a bit. Just outside my lip line seems a little swollen. Not bad or anything. It's obviously how it works. So, we will follow the advices that I've read elsewhere and reapply. And then wait again for the full effect. So, here we go. Again, I'm not sure about this sticky feeling. I'm not sure if I like this stickiness. So, we have our second coating on. Now let's wait again, and then we'll see what we think of the finished result. Okay, we've waited another 10 minutes. The tingling is starting to abate, so let's have a close look at the results. Most noticeable for me here and here, there is swelling moving away from the lip. The main change seems to be on the external edge of the lips. We won't know for sure about the pucker until we do the side-by-side comparison. So, in conclusion there, it does do something. When we do the side-by-side, we'll know for sure whether it's actually plumped the lips. It's obviously some sort of plant irritant they use for these swellings that are moving from where the application area along the dermis. So, is that good? Is that bad? Time will tell. Hopefully I won't be having an allergic reaction or anything. There's no swelling in my tongue or throat or anything like that. No obvious blotchiness on my skin other than old age. So I'll put the list of ingredients in the description, as I said, and if you check out Bailey Sarian's videos for her murder mystery and makeups, they're fantastic. Highly recommend them. I'll put a link in the description to Bailey Sarian as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.